You clicked hoping for a quick way to make money. Here's the truth, there isn't one. Robots won't build your business while you keep the same habits. This isn't some fancy AI business model that lets you skip learning. You still need traffic, content, promotion, a real offer, a clear customer, a landing page, strong copy, and the skill to orchestrate it all. AI didn't change the rules, it changed the speed, research faster, draft faster, iterate faster, but you still need judgment. Me, I write every morning. Newsletters, ideas, books. My AI books learn people how to use AI for their job. That's my edge. Clear ideas and perspective. I'm not the best at tutorials, but I'll keep this simple. I don't love marketing, not the research, not headlines, not crafting leads, features, benefits, testimonials. I can do it. I just prefer to spend creative energy on writing. So what do you do when you dislike a task? You design a process. You use AI to accelerate the grunt work, not replace the thinking. That's what this series teaches. Move faster without skipping fundamentals. Ready? Let's build the pieces the right way and let AI help, not hallucinate profits. In business, outsource when you have the resources. Today, most of us do. It's called AI. But AI isn't a great marketer or writer out of the box. It's competent. It's also generic. If anyone can type, "Write me a landing page," everyone will. So how do you stand out? Specificity, context, sharp prompts, tight workflows. If you want meaningful revenue, 100K, a million, pick your number, you have two paths. Become exceptional at marketing and the full money-making stack, or use a proven system and let AI execute while you focus on what you enjoy. Courses used to be the shortcut, they still help. Now we can train AI on solid marketing and writing principles so it performs at a high level. There are trade-offs. You still need enough understanding to steer it. But if you don't want to write or market, it's fine to outsource your content to AI. I've built an AI-driven process that crafts precise customer avatars, compelling offers, high-converting landing pages, and sales copy, better than what most creators and corporate teams produce. With that foundation, let's step back and map the path to 7 figures, not as hype, but as a plan you can run. Ready? Everyone clicks the Make a Million with AI videos, but for most people, even 50 to 100K would be life-changing. Still want 7 figures? Here's the realistic path. $1 million a year is $83,333 a month, about $2,777 a day. You won't hit that daily. Expect swings. How do you get there? Sell 18 units of a $150 product per day, or stack subscriptions or memberships at scale, or close services, a $15,000 client every other day, or a $10,000 client every 4 days, or mix in $1,000 clients. Blend what fits your skills. If you start with clients, great. Freelancing, coaching, consulting, then productize your service to scale. That's how you buy back time. Go the product or subscription route. You need traffic, lots of it. Why? Math. At a 2.5% conversion rate, 720 visitors to your sales page yields 18 sales. That's roughly the daily target for a $150 offer. So what actually moves the needle? Offers that solve clear problems, strong copy, consistent distribution. AI can speed the work, but you still need a system. Ask yourself, which lane suits me now? Clients, products, or both? What's my daily sales target? Where will my traffic come from? Pick your numbers, build the machine, then let the compounding do its job. Here's the path to revenue with a $150 product. You need 3 things: a product, a page to buy it, and traffic. How do people spend money online? The same way they'll buy from you. Traffic can come from social, SEO, influencers, or word of mouth. Social media is a skill, not luck. If you're competent, you can pull 10-50K views per YouTube video and 500K 1M monthly impressions across LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. From that reach, you need only 720 people to click your landing page to hit $1 million a year. Out of hundreds of thousands of impressions, that's a small slice. And yes, most people would be happy with far less. There's a catch. Offer creation, social strategy, and copywriting take time, often 5 to 10 years, to master. But train AI on proven marketing principles and lessons from top performers, and it can do a surprising amount for you. So we'll start where leverage is highest, a personal brand strategy. We'll focus on organic social because it's free and effective. Paid ads, not our topic today. Ready? Let's build the foundation and move from attention to clicks to customers. Don't have time for SEO, not ready to pay influencers? Social is your best lever. It's free, it's fast, and the audience you build becomes leverage. Ask any operator, Alex Hormozy included, Content is the first move if you want income or a side project that actually grows. So let's make content creation simple. Use one workspace that brings leading AI models together for writing. No bloated costs, no tool juggling. You get workflows for the full pipeline. Generate 50+ content ideas. Draft viral social posts. Write threads or carousels. Outline YouTube videos. Produce newsletters and article drafts. Short, vague prompts won't cut it. Use a prompt builder. I want to create an AI prompt that. Add specifics, save it, reuse it whenever you run that task. Repurpose with speed. Paste a YouTube link and recreate the script in your voice. Keep what's useful. Add your take. Publish with clarity. Prefer to write? Perfect. This setup is built for writers first. Image generation can wait. My AI books learn people how to use AI for their job. The goal is simple. Remove friction, ship more content, and build an audience that compounds. Start today, create consistently. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so your best ideas actually ship. Next up, the Market tab. This is where we'll spend most of our time. Here's the plan. We'll move through each section, starting with the personal brand and content strategy prompt. Use any model you like. I'm using Claude 3.7. Hit enter, and you'll get a focused set of questions. Answer them plainly. No online presence yet? Totally fine. The prompt adapts. I shared a transformation story. 7 failed business models before one finally worked, and set goals. Generate income and build authority. Expect follow-up questions. Why? Because we want a complete strategy, not guesswork. Once you respond, it builds a clear snapshot. Your personal brand and target audience. Your domain of mastery. Skills and interests to emphasize. Content inspiration sources and topic ideas. Map to each skill or interest. You get a big picture blueprint you can act on. Read it, refine it, and lock it in. From there, the Market tab becomes your map. What to create, who it's for, and how it advances your goals. Ready to turn answers into a strategy? Let's dive in. First, lock in your social positioning. Tight bio, expanded bio, both say who you help and how. Next, map monetization, services and products. This foundation powers the offer we'll build with an AI flow later. Then set your content system, pillars, a simple calendar, and a plan for each platform. Save everything in a clean document you can reuse. Now, the real blocker, market research. Be honest, scrolling forums and guessing at pain points, draining. Most marketing misses because the customer avatar is off. Let AI fix that. Open the customer avatar generator. Keep your strategy doc in a side pane. Copy your target audience blurb and paste it into the prompt. Example, skilled people in their 20s and 30s who struggle to monetize deeper interests, like self-improvement, because conventional models feel limiting. Submit it. You'll get clarifying questions. Answer them quickly. The system distills motivations, obstacles, desires, and exact language. No more guesswork. Result, a precise avatar that sharpens your bio, offer, and content. Clear message, smarter products, faster traction. Ready to replace hunches with data-backed clarity? After a quick Q&A and a running summary, we generate a complete customer avatar. Demographics, psychographics, expert insights, buying behavior, media habits. It's deeper than most creators ever build, and it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Next, we head to market and craft an irresistible offer. Our strategy and personal brand notes already surfaced monetization ideas, services, and products. The avatar plugs right in, each step stacks, all the way to a finished landing page. Here's the real problem. Most people don't know what to sell, or they do, but the offer is vague. So they guess. Confidence drops. Sound familiar? You study tactics, yet without experience, the offer still feels weak. This workflow fixes that. It replaces guesswork with data. It gives beginners a sharper, more credible offer from day one. Open the irresistible offer blueprint. Set your target audience. Use the avatar to shape the promise, outcomes, proof, and pricing. Translate insights into clear benefits. Tie them to pains and desired gains. Get specific. Make it testable. In minutes, you'll have a focused offer you can stand behind. Then we iterate, package it, and move into landing page generation. Simple path, strong foundation. Ready to sell? We're starting from a blank canvas. First, link your customer avatar. Type I customer avatar to pull the profile into your workspace. Next, add a crisp product description. Know what you're selling. It could be a freelance service, a creator strategy session, or a social content audit. My angle is brand advising and social media. So here's a test offer. A philosophy-driven creator manifesto workbook with perspective-shifting prompts, a deep content creation system, and the story behind 7 failed models that led to freedom. Why this example? To show you can sell ideas, not just money-making tactics. Abstract doesn't mean unsellable. Press enter. You'll get follow-up questions. The first is awareness. Is your audience solution-aware or product-aware? Ours is solution-aware. They want more meaning and a tighter link between their interests and their income. They know the kind of solution they need. They just haven't picked a product yet. One quick tip: you can hide the document chip. The chat still holds the context. Keep it simple, connect the avatar, clarify the offer, confirm awareness, then let the system guide the rest. We're running the interview process again. Yes, it takes time, but it saves far more later. Strategy, customer avatar, offer blueprint, landing page, assets you keep, build once, sell twice. Start with the question that matters. What core problems does your audience face that your perspective-shifting prompts and AI philosophical inquiry tools actually solve? What mental and emotional struggles hold them back? Most creators miss this. They pitch abstract philosophy. Buyers want relief from today's anxiety, overwhelm, and lack of clarity. Speak to that. Now turn insight into an offer blueprint. Nail positioning, value, features, benefits, and the unique mechanism. Position it as the anti-positive thinking approach that works by channeling negative energy instead of suppressing it. The seed can be simple. Define what you don't want to uncover what you do. Make outcomes measurable. Cut future-related anxiety by up to 90%. Help people wake with purpose and direction in 30 days. Add a clarity guarantee. Name the real pain, paralyzing uncertainty about life direction. Let the system generate angles. You make the calls. Do this once. Reuse it everywhere. That's how you save time and sell more. Ready? Let's build. Constant anxiety, turn it into a clear, confident plan in 30 days. This is the negative to positive transmutation method. Ancient wisdom meets modern AI. First, organize your assets, drop everything under your personal brand strategy so it's easy to find. Next, open your AI workspace. Head to the template library and choose persuasive landing page generation. Set your inputs, target audience, pull from your customer avatar, offer, pull from my offer. That's your message backbone. Want it to sound like you? Have the tool analyze a sample of your writing. Save that as your voice profile and apply it. Or use a clean default tone. Your call, now generate. You'll get ready-to-use landing page copy, headline, hooks, benefits, and calls to action. No design worries yet. Where does it live? Use a creator platform like Stan, host digital courses, free guides, and coaching in one place. It also gives you a link in bio page. It's mobile first and affordable, about $29 a month, while many alternatives start near $99. Here's the flow. Define audience and offer. Match the voice. Let AI draft the page. Publish on a lean platform. Simple, focused, actionable. Why stay stuck in confusion when your next step is this clear? Start today. Turn pressure into momentum, and momentum into a page that converts. Want a landing page that actually converts? Here's my fast, repeatable workflow. In my link in bio, I point to my AI books Learn People How to Use AI for Their Job. The click leads to a simple landing page. Pure text, no fluff. I copy the AI output straight in, publish, then send traffic. I draft the page in an AI writer. I prefer Claude, but use whatever model you like. Drop in your prompt. Hit enter. In seconds, you get options. Headline variations, subheads, a punchy lead with bullets, pain points, the transformation, an offer intro, and a testimonial placeholder. It's a solid medium-length page. Clean, skimmable, ready to test. Need more angles? Ask for 10 new headlines. Tighter tone, different benefits. The model iterates fast. Want it shorter or longer? Tell the model. Mind your phrasing. Pick language that fits your audience. And if the AI pulls ideas from an old project, reset the chat or clarify context. Problem solved. When the copy feels right, paste it into your site. Ship, then iterate when real traffic hits. Quick, simple, the right length, built to convert, without the busy work. I renamed the offer Transmutation. Then I fed the AI 2 inputs, the customer avatar and the offer. Hit enter. In seconds, it produced a persuasive landing page, headline variations, a strong lead, features and benefits, even a starter price, 3 payments of 197. Everything is editable. It's a draft, yet a strong one. It even proposed a unique mechanism, monk-inspired AI prompts, a deep negative excavation framework, transmutation exercises, and a progress tracking system. The lead hits home, that weight in your chest, another day of motions that don't match who you are. You've consumed ideas that never become action. It names the pain, then shows the path. Is it perfect? No. But for most creators, it outperforms what they'd write from scratch. If you're not a professional copywriter, this saves hours and lifts conversions. Change the price, swap features, regenerate headlines, iterate for a focus product. Do it again tomorrow. That's the point. Use it to get to 80% fast, then polish the final 20% with your voice and proof. Publish. If you execute, this one page can change your business. Could it become a 7-figure offer? With focus and follow through, absolutely. Next step, create. Then send traffic to it. Here's a fast, repeatable workflow. Generate 50+ content ideas. Spin up viral-style social posts. Pick how many. Choose text posts or short-form video scripts for TikTok and Reels. Add a reference to steer the angle by topic or target audience. Draft threads or carousels. Turn out a YouTube script, a newsletter, or an article. Want leverage? Study a top YouTube video, then rebuild it in your own voice. Paste the link. Add your own source. Say your notes or an old piece on achieving goals. The system pulls the transcript, maps the structure, and rewrites with your advice and tone. Don't copy, revise, sharpen, make it unmistakably yours. Use this to learn from the best while sounding like you. And then do the only thing that matters, sit down and ship. Today, then do it again tomorrow. AI can write the content, draft posts, emails, ideas. Will that alone deliver results? No. Results come from consistent action that moves your goals forward. If execution is the bottleneck, simplify. Turn your goals into an actionable plan. Break them down. What's the next specific step, then the next? Use a guiding system, a personal growth advisor, coach, or a structured checklist. Describe what you're trying to achieve. Get clear steps. Follow them. Check in each morning. Review priorities. Do the next task that matters. Repeat. That's the formula. Focus, action, consistency. Want more practical AI walkthroughs? Tell me what would help. Thanks for watching. Oh, yes. And before I forget, if you want to learn AI for your work or know someone that has to learn AI for their job, visit CompleteAItraining.com, the #1 AI learning platform.